Guys,
good evening, sir.
so I'll teach you today expression, the 5 most expressions in English, and we use it that. So 5 most expressions. So first, I'm not first. I'm not first. I am not FUSSED. It's first. What is that? First, first. I'm not first. FUSSED. I'm not first. First expression. Second expression, fair enough. What is that? Fair enough. Right? Third expression, third one. Suppose so. What is that? Suppose so. And the fourth, I'm afraid. What is that? I'm afraid. I'm afraid. I'm afraid. Fifth, might as well, may as well. Might as well, may as well. Right? One more thing that I'm afraid, and one more also, I'm afraid of. I'm afraid of. These are all English expressions, and we have to use these expressions in our spoken English, advanced English too. So one by one, let me explain. I'm not first. Instead of it, we can use I'm not bothered about it. When somebody say you want to go somewhere with your family or you really plan, so you say that now I'm not first, I'm not bothered. So bothered means that you're not bothered about it because what you are. When someone asks you the question, if someone asks you that if Karam is here, Karam actually and Arun actually ask you tomorrow we plan, you want to go with the family somewhere, that Karam say no, I'm not first, I'm not bothered about it. I'm not bothered about it. It means like you're not the preference. Don't give preference. You stay at home, that's it. That sense we use I'm not first or I'm not bothered about it. I don't means I'm not preference about it. Right? Second expression, the fair enough. What is that? Fair enough. Fair enough, you know how we use that. Himanshu says, I love India. I love India. And Shivam says, fair enough. Fair enough. It means what Himanshu says, he says, I love India. And Shivam says, okay, it's fair enough. I agree that you love it. But he's agreed with us the point that okay, the what exactly Himanshu say he loves India, and Shivam say that fair enough. Okay, so what he's saying is agreed with him. Okay, what you are saying agreed with him that what the person is speaking. Right? I love cricket. Okay, fair enough. So you agree with him that what he's saying that. Got it? That we use and excuse me, E and E. Fair enough. What's that? Fair enough. Fair enough. Suppose so. What do we say?
Suppose so.
Okay? Suppose so. So how do you use this? Here, Karam here. Karam actually means Arun says, oh, I think Karam like ghost. Karam like ghost. So Shivam says, suppose so. Suppose so. Yes, it's like suppose. Yes, suppose it could be. Means it's only like your hypothetical things. What we say? Hypothetical thing. Okay, suppose so. Right?